AI isn't just about writing blogs, creating those fancy images anymore. It can actually build applications for you. And today I'm going to show you how I'm using AI to create a productivity app all without being a coder. Hey friends, Debbie Starr here. AI is moving so fast. And one of the most exciting shifts is how easy it is to start building tools or applications to help move things along in your business without having to be a geek, or know any of this coding, programming, all of that kind of stuff. And I thought it would be fun to take you behind the scenes to show you a tool that I'm using called Replit, and I'm doing some what they call vibe coding. And even though I love technology, I am not a programmer or a geek. And what I'm going to show you, it's not a polished application yet. It's just me experimenting with a tool that I need in my business, and I think other people might need in their business. And the reason I'm showing this to you is hopefully it's going to spark some ideas for you of maybe you want to jump into the game, and maybe there's some things that you think, oh, maybe I could create something. So stick with me and you'll see how quickly things will come to life using AI. And I would love your feedback on this little application that I'm building. So give me your feedback on that. All right, now I am going to just share my screen as always. So let me find the right thing here. Okay, now again, don't get overwhelmed. And this video is not me teaching you how to use this tool. This is one of many tools out there. It's called Replete, and there is money involved, but it's not a huge amount. Basically, you can build these applications pennies on the dollar. So the first thing is, what problem are you wanting to solve? And the problem for me, and I think a lot of my people in my field, is we have certain links that we use over and over again. And if you're like me, you probably have a spreadsheet or a notebook or sticky notes. Your bookmark bar, everything's kind of out of control, and you have things scattered all over the place. So I wanted to create an application that consolidated everything, but that was super easy to use and keep updated and searchable, and a way that I could organize all of my links. So this is like the engine. And when I started, now over here on the left, you'll see basically the stuff in blue is just me giving it directions on what I wanted. The stuff kind of in the white and the gray is what Replete was doing. All right. So we're kind of almost to the tail end. I still need to do some tweaking on this, but let me just show you. I'm going to jump into the preview so you can see what this looks like. So up here on the top, there's just a little preview button. So I'm going to open this up. So again, what I wanted was, first of all, I said, if somebody's using this for the first time, let's give them a quick little tour of how to use it. So it came up with this. Digital workspace for organizing and managing. And I can just go through, not going to take the time, but it just goes through all of these quick little steps. And it's telling me, or telling the end user, how to use it and then get started. Now, the beautiful thing is, when I created this, I said, I want categories, because I have like business tools, but I have marketing links, financial links, all of that kind of stuff. And so I would like to have things organized by category. My categories probably aren't the ones that other people. So we could create categories right up here. So I'm going to create a category, and I can pick a color. So I'll just pick this, and I'm going to call it my personal. Okay. Or actually, let me do social media. Okay. And I'm going to create the category. So now notice we have 5 categories. They're all color coded here. And then no, I don't have any links here. So I'm going to just click that little plus, and I can type in the link, or if I already know what it is, I can just grab that. So, and I'm kind of embarrassed to say this, but even even my social media links, I just feel like we have so many different links in our world. So I'm just going to come over here and grab my personal or my business page link here. Let me come back here, and I'm just going to paste it in, and I can add the title here. I can come back and add it. So I'm just going to say my Facebook business page. You can add as much or as little as you want. Okay. If I wanted to give it a brief description, what category is this going to go in? So now you can, this is a social media category because I had just created that. I could add tags also, and now I'm just going to add the link. And then where is it? And right here it is. Okay, social media, there's my link. So this application is twofold in the sense of it makes it easy to add things. And then in the future, when I'm getting ready to create something and I need to hop over to my business page, I can just click it here. A couple extra things I can do. I can pin it, I can change things, the whole 9 yards. Now, again, this video isn't about even this, but I'm just kind of giving you a sneak peek. So if you had everything categorized that you use over and over, not all 1,000 links that you have, but just the top 20, 50, whatever it is, what would you want to see? When I was programming this application here, it's showing me the most used. Which ones did I add today? The health status, total links, and then syncing it. Okay. We can also search up here at the top. So, I know I saved a link. I just barely remember what it is. I can just do a quick search. Okay. Now, let me come back here. Now we're back inside of the actual coding. So I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, I don't know, I just don't like the background color here. So I'm just going to give it a quick little command. And so I'm saying I'm not liking the beige background of the app. Let's add some color to it. And what I what I'm showing you here is just super, super simple. The sky is the limit. So I don't know if you can read it, but it's saying it's optimizing the agent memory. It's going back, it's looking at things because it's been a few days since I've actually worked in this application. And it will continue working. When there's something that I don't feel is right or whatever, and I can just, if there's like an error message or something, I can just copy that and drop it into here. Let me come back to you while this is working and just talk to you for a minute. I am just showing you like a bare scraping of the surface of what's possible just with AI in general. I'm not professing to be an AI expert, but what I find with my clients is most most of my people, they don't want to drown in technology, but they also don't want to go down all of these rabbit holes, right? That all of a sudden you're spending time and or money doing stuff that's not moving your business forward. So what I look at when I'm either exploring tools or some of the new technologies out there is how is this going to move my business forward? And being able to create an app that will help me with my productivity, number one, was a game changer for me, but also the apps are the new lead magnets. Let that sink in just for a minute. Uh, we're surrounded by information. People no longer just want that flat, static PDF. They want something that they can actually implement in their business right away. So think about what tiny sliver from your business could you create a little app or create a chat bot or something to actually help people take that first step in their business and make that your lead magnet? Is that sinking in how powerful that is? I mean, it's amazing. Let me share my screen again and let me just show you the background now. It's a little hard to see, but it's made the background kind of a pinkish purplish. So it said it's a more vibrant. It's not really more vibrant, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. The purpose really is just to show you what's possible. Again, I am not a programmer, and look at all of this detail of everything that it our conversation. So basically, I have my own little programmer here, and I'm just saying, "Yep, I like this. Nope, I don't like that. Change it, etc., etc." And it just goes to work for me, and then I can test it. So let me come back and look at you front and center. So, what do you think? Do you think you want to jump into some advanced tools like actually building an application? No worries if you're not interested in that. Let me know what you think about this little application. What would help you keep your business organized? I would love to see that so that I can build in those little features for you. Okay. Um, so, uh, as always, if this was interesting to you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, all that kind of stuff. And if you want real momentum in your business, if you want someone else to do the heavy lifting to help you stay on top of this rapidly changing environment, then think about joining me inside of my Digital Business Academy for templates, accountability, and some training and coaching. Or if you want to become the authority in your business, I'm just now launching my new Authority Engine program, 6 weeks of intensive building out these weekly campaigns so that people see you as the authority in the market. So, as always, give me your feedback below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.